welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, we're gonna go ahead and test yung bagong machine or appliances, whatever you call it, na nabili ko from this hardware bago mag-lockdown. So we're gonna go ahead and check. And we all know naman na mahirap maglaba, guys, especially if you don't have a washing machine and some sort of space. So definitely this is going to be helpful if you're just living in a small condominium. So we're gonna go ahead and check. Lalo ngayon, guys, at walang mga bukas na laundry shops. Ayan. So ayan, guys, we're inside our bathroom here right now, and what we have here is the easy washer. One thing I like about it, guys, is it's really small and compact. Ayan, nakapatong siya ngayon sa my toilet bowl seat kasi mahirap pag doon ko siya ilalagay, guys. Mahirap siyang i-vlog. I have a lot of laundry here, so ita-try and test natin. There's actually a tubing here where you can put like a hose para i-direkta mo siya sa tubig, water supply. And then there's also like two holes here. This is the handle, guys, so this is the one that you'll use to control it. So this in the middle part is the one for kung maglo-laundry ka, and then the other one is kung magde-dryer ka. No need for electricity or whatnot, so at the same time it's also a good exercise. Okay, nga pala, guys, so ayan yung loob. As you could see, meron din siyang drainage. Papakita ko lang siya sa inyo, guys. So ito, guys, so once na gusto mo nang tanggalin yung water, you'll just have to remove this. The water would go away. There's also a hose, guys, like you can attach it here parang sa washing machine talaga. Like pagtapos na, pwede mo nang tanggalin para you don't have to keep pulling and putting it out. So ayun lang naman. So we're gonna go ahead and test it, guys, kung effective ba siya or if it's even worth it. So let's go ahead. Ilagay ko na to yung parang tubing, yung parang sa washing machine talaga, para at least sayang kasing tubig, guys, para at least makakuha natin, and we can still use it for pang mop or whatnot, or panglinis ng mga rugs. So ayan, ang gagamitin natin, guys, again, this is not sponsor. Na-curious din ako, let's see kung effective to. This is like Ariel Power Gel, and it's for indoor dry since hindi pwedeng bawal magsampay sa mga condo. So ayan, kulob removal daw, guys. And guys, ipupur lang natin siya dito. Okay. Siyempre sisimutin natin to, guys. Sayang. Tingin ko lang itong ano ko. So I have a lot of laundries here. Based on sa manual, it says there like you can put like more than 5 pieces. Depende. So we're gonna go ahead and check, guys. Lalagyan lang natin ng water, guys. Meron tayong tabo dito. Andiyan na yung water, guys. As we all know naman, guys, like if you're into sports or gym and fitness, it is important to have at least invest something sa mga dry fit. And yung mga dry fit na katulad ng ganito, guys, like Adidas, it's really expensive, and it's just a singlet. So sando lang siya. Normally nagko-cost ng more than 2,000 plus, and you don't wanna destroy this stuff like by bringing it sa over laundried or nagda-dry or nag-shrink at saka kumukulubot. So ito-test natin siya, guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna put at least 5 pieces, guys, kasi yung recommendation. Mostly to, mga guys, mga dry fit shirts ko, clothes. So ayan yung parang mga pambata at saka mga ganito. Na naka-close siya. This is the first time na I'll be using this. So iti-test na natin siya, guys. Ayan. Actually maganda siya, guys, na pang exercise. Like especially I'm having problem with my tennis elbow sometimes, pang badminton or what. So I think I just put like 5 pieces, guys. Hindi naman siya mahirap. Ita-try ko lang ng, let's see, mga 5 or 10 minutes, guys, or 5 minutes. So, pa-right muna, guys, and then pwede natin ding ibalik ng pa-left. Parang yung sa motion ng washing machine.
Ayan, so inooratan ko siya, guys. So, yung clothes every at least 2 or 3 minutes para naman hindi sobra. Ayan. As you can see, guys, umiikot lang nandito. Okay, let's see. So far, guys, na-enjoy ko siya. Parang naglalaro lang.
Because it has like a suction cup on it. So, hindi siya gumagalaw or umaalog or whatnot. So, yun yung kinaganda niya, guys. Tatanggalin lang to. Okay, guys, just to make sure na mabango siya, we're gonna go ahead and smell it. Ayun, guys, mabango naman siya, mukhang nalinis naman siya. So we'll find out kung once na nag-dry na rin yung mga clothes. So, ayan. Medyo madami tayong na laundry pero I'm gonna skip the other stuff kasi syempre maboboard na kayo pag sobrang hot. I'm just gonna drain this. Ganito lang siya kabilis i-drain, guys. I hope you can see it. Ayan. Ito yung kinaganda niya, guys, kasi you can also use the water to flush the toilet or clean the bathroom. So, ayan. Lagayan. So, ayan. So just to show you, same process lang naman, guys, pag magre-rinse. So, I added the clothes and then water, tapos i-ikot mo lang naman siya. So, the same technique. So, pag naikot mo na siya at least, we're gonna go ahead and check. Okay, so magi-spinner na tayo, guys. So this one, you have to transfer it from the middle section. So mabilis lang siya tanggalin, guys. And then you have to put it here. Left naman, so on the left side. So ayan. So mas mabilis yung spin niya, guys. At saka medyo mas mahirap iikot to. Ito, guys, para hindi ka na magpiga. Hindi mo na siya pipigain. So ayan, guys, we're finally done sa pag-spin siya. Okay, dry na dry talaga siya, guys. Pero, I mean, dry siya. Wala na siyang tubig. Like, hindi mo na siya pipigain. Like, as you can see. Let me show it to you. Ayan, try nating pigain tong dry fit, guys. Ayan, wala nang lumalabas na tubig. So, maano pa rin siya. Of course, it's damp dry. Pero mas mabilis na mag-dry to kesa at least pipigain mo pa siya. So, ayan, guys, just to show you. Boxer shorts. Same thing, guys, wala na. Basically, we've used this product and test it just to be sure kung gumagana siya or whatnot. And here are my comments about this product, guys, kung maganda ba siya or whatnot. When it comes to washing your clothes, guys, I would definitely say na it's easy, mabilis siyang iikot. Hindi siya mahirap iikot. Kahit siguro maglagay ka ng 6 or 7 na damit, basta wag naman yung sobrang kapal. Pero when it comes to the dryer, guys, I find it really hard for some reason on this brand kasi meron yung ibang. So, I find it hard. For some reason, mahirap siyang iikot. Pero, overall, na ano naman siya. Wala namang problema sa akin yung pagpigay. Ang mahirap kasi, guys, yung pagkusot. Especially kung wala kang gloves. Like, sobrang sakit dito nun. Tapos, nakaupo ka. And the good thing with this is, it's just, like, umiikot ka lang. So, parang nag-exercise ka na rin at the same time. I also tried it with, like, yung mga tawag dito. Mga rugs, guys, na makapal. Trinay ko siya. Kaya niya pa rin, guys. Kaya pa rin i-wash. Basta isang rugs, yung makapal na rug. Hindi ko siya na-try sa mga towel at saka sa jeans. So I'm not sure, probably it would work. Kasi yung nasa website, guys, while I'm checking it here. Just so you know, guys, this, wala namang problema. So all types of textile is allowed to be washed here. So like wool, silk, cotton, synthetic fiber, baby clothes, shirts, daily wear, at saka mga linen. So, pwede naman daw. And pag nagwa-wash pala, guys, normally, depende sa'yo. Kasi, of course, this is not as strong as like the normal or the typical electric washing machine. So, ang ginagawa ko, guys, is per clothes, nilalagyan ko siya na, kasi I did try and test it, like, nilagyan ko siya ng konting soap. Kasi nakikita ko online, konting soap lang, pero hindi siya mabango, guys. So, I would definitely recommend medyo dagdagan mo yung soap. And at the same time, yung level ng water, guys, ipapantay mo lang dun sa dami rin ng clothes. So, wag din yung sobrang dami, wag din yung sobrang liit. Basta lang yung mabasa lahat. Ma-soak lahat yung ilalagay mong damit. Yung sa dryer kasi, guys, medyo mahirap siya. Like what I've said, mahirap siyang iikot. Yun lang yung hindi ko gusto dito sa machine na to. So, mahirap pag dryer. Gumagana pa rin naman siya. Nag-ano naman siya. Talagang literal na napipiga. Pero yun lang, you need to exert some effort. So, medyo nakakapagod. Yun lang naman. When it comes to removing the water, mabilis lang naman siya. You can do this. Ito, natatanggal dito. Meron ding hose, guys, like you saw naman from the vid. And then, ang problema is yung sa tubig. So, takal ng takal. So, there's a solution for that. Pero ang problema kung wala kang connection or hose. Pero this one comes with this. So, dito mo ilalagay guys. So, pwede mong i-connect lang sa may hose nyo para at least diretso na para hindi ka natakal ng takal. Secure naman to. Hindi siya yung parang gumaganyan na hindi mo maintindihan na parang akala mo mawawasak or whatnot. So, hindi naman siya ganun guys. And at the same time, ano naman siya, quiet lang naman siya at saka mabilis. You don't need too much motion. Okay, when it comes to durability naman guys, I'm not sure kung tatagal ito. Because I can't say it yet or I can't tell it kasi I did some research din. Wala pang nag-vlog nitong specific na ganito na brand and model. And at the same time, I did some research. Wala pa akong nakikitang review of this at the same time. And of course, maganda naman yung plastic niya guys. Hindi siya yung parang putsyong plastic. So I don't know how long would it last. If you're gonna wash a lot of clothes, tas mabibigat, would not recommend it. Kasi talagang magiging time consuming siya as compared dun sa normal na washing machine. Mahirap din kasing mag-laundry ka guys na like 5 piraso, 10 or 5 piraso lang like uniform, mga ganyan. Tapos, ilo-laundry mo siya. Parang ang gastos nun sa tubig and at the same time, it's expensive for electricity. At the same time, guys, magaan lang naman siya. Hindi siya sobrang bigat. Another thing that I like about having this kind of thing, guys, is that yung mga pinangpupunas or pinangmamap or whatnot, di ba kaysa hawakan mo tapos pipiga ka, you can wash it here actually. Para at least hindi mo hawakan kasi ang dumi nun eh. If you could spare 1,400 or 2,000 pesos, kasi worth it naman siya, especially if you're just living in a small place like here, it's a small condominium. Due to coronavirus, tas naka-lockdown tayo guys, naka-home quarantine tayo, we cannot go outside. And we all know that not most, but all of the laundry shops outside, guys, nakasara siya. So, they're all closed. So, you cannot just go ahead and drop your laundry. So, this is really helpful for me. Yung mga nilabahan ko, guys, nag-dry siya after 2 days. Like, indoor, guys, indoor yun. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng magsampay dito sa condo namin sa like kahit may terrace ka, you're not allowed to make sampay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-click yung notification bell so that you will be updated on my next upload. So ayan guys, ito lang naman. So ingat tayo guys and then sunod tayo sa government na huwag tayong masyadong lumalabas para hindi rin tayo magkalat ng virus or makahawa sa iba if in case we have it. So ayun lang naman guys, ingat lagi and then practice good hygiene. Thank you for watching guys.